Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. As we know that yesterday CBSE has announced the syllabus for term 1 and term 2 for the session 2021 and 22. So today we will discuss the related topics and the page numbers from the NCERT. So let's start. First of all, please note this down that first term exams will be held in November and December. It will be completely objective type paper, which will be included case studies and MCQs will be included in this. It will be of 90 minutes. First of all, on the screen there is number system 6 marks, which will be from chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 is included in first term, chapter number 2 and chapter number 3, polynomials and linear equations in two variables, coordinate geometry, which is chapter number 7. From geometry, only chapter number 6, which is triangles, has been included in the first term. From trigonometry, chapter number 8. Mensuration, chapter number 12, which is the area related to circle. From statistics and probability, only probability is included for the first term. So total paper will be of 40 marks. So you will be having 40 mark question paper and 10 marks will be from the internal assessment. So total 40 plus 10, 50 marks 50 marks weightage has been given to the first term. So talking about the 10 marks, periodic tests are having weightage of 3 marks, multiple assessments 2 marks, portfolio 2 marks, and subject enrichment activities and your lab manual is of 3 marks. And so all in all they carry 10 marks for the first term. Now in the second term we are having algebra continued, means chapter number 4 and chapter number 5, quadratic equations and arithmetic progression, is included in second term. From geometry, chapter number 10 and chapter number 11, which is construction. So it is in constructions and circle is included in the second term. Chapter number 9, heightened distances or applications of trigonometry. From mensuration, chapter number 13 has been included, which is surface area and volume in the second term. From stats and probability, only statics has been included for the term 2, chapter number 14. So internal assessment criteria is same for term 1 and term 2. So it will also be of 40 marks. Now, talking about the topics which are deleted from the syllabus. First of all, exercise 1.1, which is Euclid division lemma, is not in the syllabus. So means exercise 1.1 has been deleted. Now moving ahead, root 2, root 5, root 3, prove that they are irrational is also being deleted from the syllabus. So which means that exercise 1.3 is also not in the syllabus. So kindly cut it on your books. Now from the chapter number 2, zeros of a polynomial, relationship between zeros and coefficients of quadratic equation, which is included in exercise 2.1, 2.2. They are included in the syllabus, but exercise 2.3, which is division algorithm, is not included for the examination point of view. So exercise 2.3 is not in the syllabus from the chapter number 2, which is polynomial. So furthermore, chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, only one method has been deleted, which is cross multiplication. Cross multiplication is not in the syllabus, means exercise 3.5 is not in the syllabus. Okay, so exercise 3.5, which in which there are some questions of linear equations only, we can solve them with other methods, but it will not be asked in the exams to solve it with the cross multiplication method. So in the coordinate geometry, only exercise 7.3, which is area of the triangle, has been excluded from the syllabus. So cut exercise 7.3. Otherwise, concept of coordinate geometry, graph of linear equation, which you have done in the class 9th also. So you have to recapitulate that also. In the chapter number 6, which is triangle. In the unit it is written as 5, but it is chapter number 6 of your book, chapter number 6. Each and everything is there, no changes have been made for the triangles. Now in the trigonometric ratios of acute angle, of right angle triangle, proof of their existence, value of trigonometric ratios 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and their relationship is there in the syllabus, but exercise 8.3 is not in the syllabus, which is complementary angles. Complementary angles, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles is not in the syllabus, so kindly cut it. From the area related circles, which is chapter number 12, from the chapter number 12 only few questions are deleted, which are from exercise 12.2, question number 7 and 11. Why? Because it is strictly mentioned that problems should be restricted to central angle of 60 and 90 only. In 7 and question number 7 and 11, the angle is more than 90, so we exclude these examples. Now in the probability there is only one exercise, which is 15.1. So this is for the syllabus. So all in all, syllabus has been reduced and it will be of MCQ type. So students, you have to do the detailed study of the topics. If you have the deeper understanding, only then you will be able to solve the MCQs. So good luck for your exams. So students, that's all for the term 1. For more updates about the term 2, subscribe my channel, and hope you like the video. Then press the like button also. Thank you so much. Have a great learning.